The remaining battery percentage is almost the same as the percentage displayed on the inverter. Make sure the battery switch is off. Take out 2 pairs of power lines. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery respectively. Put on the protective cover. Battery 2 operation is the same as battery 1. Communication line link and setup between 2 batteries. Dial to the correct communication protocol and inverter communication. Use the wrench provided with the product to unscrew the bottom cover of the combiner box. Remove the tape from the power lines. Connect the positive and negative poles of the 2 pairs of power lines on the battery to the combiner box respectively. Correct connection display. Take out another pair of power wires and connect them to the positive and negative electrodes respectively. The other end is connected to the positive and negative poles of the inverter. Measure the voltage at the connection. Connect the positive and negative poles of the photovoltaic. Measure the voltage at the connection. Correct connection display. Connect the positive and negative poles of the AC output line. Connect the positive and negative poles of the AC input line. Communication line connect inverter and battery. Turn on the battery switch. Turn on the inverter switch. Overall display of inverter correct installation. Set the communication protocol between the battery and the inverter. The remaining battery percentage is almost the same as the percentage displayed on the inverter.